Hello everyone, it's me Nassim, the founder of Paper Planes English. I'm here today to explain one of the reading topics in SAT exam. This topic is inferences questions. It's a very problematic topic in my opinion, and I am here today to give you some hints and tricks to find the answer faster. Be with me. Well, inferences questions are very different from the other question types in the reading section. How different they are in terms of the end of the text is not given to you, and it is gonna be your job and your responsibility to find the best closing sentence for the passage provided for you. Let's see what it is going on. Microbes that live in shallow lakes and ponds produce methane, a harmful greenhouse gas. Ecologists blah 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 wanted to see how different types of shallow water plants might affect the amount of methane that escape into the atmosphere. So scientists believe that there are gonna be different types of plants that the release of the methane from them is different. So they wanna figure it out what it is going on here. So what they did is that they provided some water tanks with soil and microbes from local ponds. There were some tanks had a type of underwater plant that grows in soil called water milfoil. So we have one type which is water milfoil, and we have another tank, I'm gonna show it with another color, that has duckweed. So up to now we had water milfoil and duckweed. Abin and his team found that tanks with duckweed released higher level of methane. So higher level of methane than the other one. What does that mean? If one type of plant release more methane, it means that the other one release less. Guys, I want to mention something, that be careful. In such type of a question, you need to approach counter-argument option. Counter-argument is one of the strategy that College Board use a lot for finding the answer of such question types. How it works? In the text, they said that duckweed release more methane. In the option, you are not gonna find the direct thing mentioned, but indirectly they are going to use it. How? By saying an argument against the thing mentioned at the end, but this statement is going to reaffirm the thing mentioned in the text. So like this, that look at option A, some kinds of other water plants like water milfoil prevent methane. It's another way to say that water milfoil release less methane. So although the end of the text talks about the release of methane by duckweed, we say the same thing by saying that water milfoil preventing the release of the methane. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is that counter argument is one of the things you need to know very well. For making you understand, I want to give an example. For example, this room is bigger than my colleague's room. Or I can say, my colleague's room is smaller than my room. The second statement is going against my first one, although they both say the same thing. We call such type of arguments counter argument. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and write any comments that you like for me. Thank you again.